I added coconut milk to the corn and was surprised by the result. That's right, friends. Here I have 170 grams of canned corn and I added 200 milliliters of coconut milk. We're going to make an incredible recipe that I'm sure everyone will love. It's delicious. Now I'm going to transfer everything to our portable blender. And now I'm also going to add a cup of sugar, 3 whole eggs, and also 100 milliliters of sunflower oil, but you can replace it with butter or margarine. Now just cover the blender and mix everything very well until the corn is well crushed. We've already mixed these ingredients very well, so now I'm going to transfer everything to a bowl. Friends, look what a beautiful mixture, and the smell is wonderful. Imagine once it's ready, it will be even better. Now I'm going to add a cup and a half of corn flour, also known as mimoso cornmeal. And now I'm going to add 100 grams of grated coconut. Here I'm using moist and sweetened coconut, but you can use dry coconut or even natural grated coconut. It's your preference. Now let's mix everything very well. And if you like cake recipes like this, leave them here below. I love cake recipes. This way I will know that you like this type of recipe, and I can teach you more ways to make cakes with different flavors. I'm sure you will love them, so share this with your friends and family. Now I will also add a tablespoon of baking powder and mix lightly until the yeast is completely added to our dough. Friends, this corn cake will be perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Now just transfer all of our dough to a pan greased with butter and sprinkled with corn flour, and see what a wonderful dough it is. And to make our cake even better, I'm going to add a few pieces of guava jam. I dip the guava jam in sugar so it doesn't sink into our dough, and I'm going to place them one next to the other until it goes all the way around our dough. Now just put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Our corn cake with jam and guava is ready, and look how beautiful it turned out. I've already run a knife around it to loosen it from the pan, and I'm about to unmold our cake. Look how delicious. This cake was perfect. I'm going to turn it to the other side to make it look prettier. Now I'm going to cut a piece so you can see what it looks like inside. Look at the filling of our cake. It was wonderful. And now I'm going to try it. How delightful. It had a perfect flavor. I love this cake, and we always make it here at home. Do it at your house too, and everyone will love it.